In this video, I'll show you how to get better results from Kling AI and improve the quality, realism, and consistency of your AI-generated videos. First, start with a clear idea of what you want to create. Before generating a video, decide on the subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. Next, write a focused prompt. Clearly describe the main subject and what you want that subject to do. Avoid adding too many unrelated actions in one generation. For example, instead of writing "a person in a city," describe a realistic person walking through a modern city street at sunset, with natural body movement, warm cinematic lighting, and a smooth tracking camera. If you're using image to video, start with a clear and high-quality source image. The better your starting image is, the easier it can be to create a good animation. For realistic motion, keep your actions simple and natural. Describe specific movements such as walking, turning, looking around, or gently moving in the environment. Camera instructions can also improve your results. Use controlled movements like a slow push-in, smooth tracking shot, gentle pan, or gradual zoom. For consistent characters, reuse the same important appearance details and reference images when appropriate. Avoid changing the character's hairstyle, clothing, facial features, or other key details between scenes unless you want a different appearance.